Hey, what's going on, everybody? I'm Devin with Flaxen Auto Detailer. Today we're going to be testing out sort of a long-term coating test with the DIY 3-year graphene coating versus a P&S Defender, which is a ceramic sort of spray coating that could be used as a topper, or it could be used as a standalone protection. So I haven't washed the car in quite a long time, maybe like 2 weeks. For me, that's quite a lot. It sits under a tree if it's not in the garage. So there's tons of organic material that's everywhere. So what we're going to be doing today is just washing the hood, and then we're going to be putting it through a battery of tests using a degreaser. And then we're going to try also with acid, and I might use isopropyl alcohol too, just to sort of cleanse the panel in between products. The reason for this is because people often use degreasers in their snow foams, or they'll use a high alkaline snow foam on the car for 5 to 10 or 15 minutes, however long it sits. And you really want to see how it's going to react on the paint, how it's going to react on the coating, if it's going to deteriorate the coating or cause scarring or fracturing. The reason we're using acid is because typically if you have a ceramic coating and the pores of the coating is clogged, you're going to want to use sort of more of a base product that helps to remove the mineral deposits and sort of the inorganic material that's stuck on the paint that's clogging pores. So that's kind of the whole purpose of this. If you're cleaning wheels too, you're often using acid. So you want to know if the acid, that the overspray, is going to affect the ceramic coating on the paint. Or maybe you have ceramic coating on your wheels too and use acid to clean it. So in any case, it's been 2 or 3 months since I applied on each side. This is what it looked like right after I applied it. And so today we're using CarPro Reset as the soap, and we're going to be using Spray 9 as the degreaser. It's diluted, and we're going to be using wheel acid, aluminum mag wire cleaner, something like that. I don't know, from 3D. It's just a really strong wheel acid. So let's get right into it. I'm going to rinse it without even putting anything on it, just so we can see the hydrophobics. All right, so let's do like 3, 4, maybe 5 washes. CarPro Reset. I know the paint is super dirty, and obviously just rinsing it with water is not going to cleanse the panel. A little bit of stuck on stuff there. An immediate return of hydrophobics. See on this side, a little bit less. So this is awesome. It's just a soap. It's nothing crazy. So we're gonna do a few more rounds of wash. Now it feels extremely slick. Using the ultra black sponge from the Rag Company. We have a return of beading. See this side. A little bit less, but still not bad. Here's what we're gonna do next. Soap up the panel. I'm gonna take my clay block and with literally no pressure, just sort of glide it and guide it to do a really superficial econ. Now remember, most companies say that products like this don't mar, don't scratch with proper lubrication. I do think that this is proper lubrication and that they help to cleanse the panel. So we're gonna do the other side too. Literally no pressure. Just the weight of it. And I'm just guiding it. Here you can kind of see the difference. See the tape line. Not terrible for a spray coating, right? So if it's raining, that's kind of the effect, you know? Still gonna bead. It's more of a sheeter right now. This is more of a beater. This is more of a sheeter, but that's okay. There's still something there. So we'll go with our spray 9. It in. Remember guys, ceramic coatings resist chemicals, right? So in theory, they should be able to withstand this. And the glass looks great too. That just had the spray coating on it. You know, it's not just water spots that can clog your pores of the coating or the paint or the sealant or whatever. It's also organic material. It could be, you know, little pollen particles or stuff from trees that sit on your car. It's really not good for your clear. So that's why, especially, you know, in the summer, it's because of that you want to wash it. It just gets constantly contaminated by organic, you know, environmental contamination, as well as brake dust and stuff. But obviously, there's no real tree sap and tree goo in the winter. So let's see what this looks like. still floods quite a bit, but there's still something there versus the graphene side. So here I have what's left of my isopropyl alcohol, which is actually sometimes great at removing tree sap. You know, it depends when you get it. Depends how concentrated your alcohol is too. But really powerful cleaner. Can do some damage to your car if you're not careful. Oh yeah, that's great. Still see something there. It might not be perfect, but it's still there. And this is a $20 spray coating. So now comes the ultimate test. I have 3D acid mag wheel cleaner. Okay, just a really strong acid base wheel cleaner. Right, a little bit of CarPro Reset on the towel. Give a little bit more glide. We're gonna go. Maybe some people do their mineral cleanse like this, who knows? You guys see the line? See that straight line? Okay, so we can clearly see who won. It's obvious from the get-go that a true ceramic coating is going to beat a spray coating. It's obvious. You know, this is a $100 product and that's a $20 product. The difference is the durability and the chemical resistance. So, you know, this is claimed to last 3 years, like the graphene oxide will stay on the surface for 3 years, and you know, that's 3 to 6 months, and you know, with proper care, maybe even longer. So I'm still surprised how well it held up. And here's what you do. If your ceramic coating is failing, or if it's old, and if you did the cleanse and you just want it to be a little bit more revived, a little bit better hydrophobics, you know, you use a product like this. This is CarPro Hydro 2. Could be, you know, DIY quick beads. Could be literally any product. It could be a P&S bead maker, something that you spray on and you wipe off dry when you're drying the car as a drying aid. So you just cleanse the panel. Spray on a ceramic. Give it 5 to 10 seconds. There you go. Some of the hydrophobics were brought back. Obviously, it's not a ceramic coating, but if you want quick hydrophobics, you know, decon the panel, polish it quickly, put a ceramic spray coating, and, you know, every couple weeks, use a topper, and it'll just always look like that. And that's not terrible for the price. This is awesome too. This is your rainfall. And this is what they mean when they say self-cleaning. Hope you guys had as much fun as I did. I love doing stuff like this. I love product testing. This is one of my favorite coatings. I think a 3-year for me is a perfect length of time. After 3 years, I'll probably want to, you know, strip it, polish it again, just do a light sort of one-step polish, paint enhancement, and then coat it again. I love 3 years. Applied an 8-year on a really nice repainted Pontiac vibe with like this like fire red paint. It was absolutely gorgeous. And then a few years later, someone wrecked the car. Someone completely totaled the car. And so my client never had the opportunity to see the coating last 8 years. So obviously stuff like that happens. But for me, the price point of a 3-year is fantastic. The water beading is fantastic. It's graphene too, so less chances of water spotting. Yeah, so there you go. I'm almost out of rinse and wash from DIY version 2 rinse and wash. If there's one on the market that's as good or better in your opinion, let me know. I'm looking to try something else. Or if there's nothing else that's good, I'm going to stick with DIY version 2 rinse and wash because it's been my favorite rinseless. It works incredible on the inside. It works incredible as a glass cleaner, as a clear lube, as a, you know, something to wash the car with. It's just an all-round near perfect rinse and wash. So let me know what you guys think. See you in the next one. Peace.